Good morning, friends. This is Advocate Abhilash Thomas, Chief Executive Officer, Indus Viva Health Sciences. Today, I am going to talk about an interesting subject called instant gratification. What is instant gratification? It is all about is, in our context is, most of the youngsters, I am saying most of the youngsters, they are not ready to wait for an outcome for their efforts. They want results immediately, instantaneously. So that is the reason many of them are not considering multi-level marketing or network marketing as an option in their life. So here the point is, I can give you one example which people are actually practicing in the name of multi-level marketing. That is, a company will approach you and will say, you invest 10,000 rupee, you don't need to do anything, but still you will be getting 2% or 3% of your investment every day as a return. That way, you just invest 10,000 rupee, you will be earning 200 or 300 rupee every day. In addition to that, if you make somebody else to invest, you will be getting a referral bonus of 5% or 10% for that, and furthermore one binary compensation plan also will be attached to that. When the people whom you have made them to invest, when they further make others to invest, you will be getting a commission in the binary model. So this looks very lucrative for them. When we ask how the company can pay 2% or 3% every day, their reply is, hey, that is a simple thing. And this company is into equity trading, this company is into commodity trading, this company is into the trading of cryptocurrencies. So that way the company is making much more than 3%. From that, a small fraction only they are sharing with you as a profit. So my point here is, finally what is going to happen is, these people will be losing their actual investment. Furthermore, they will be making all their friends, relatives, and neighbors as their enemies forever, because they have made them to invest their hard-earned money there. Some people will go even to the greater troubles, like landing in police station and finally in jail, and obtain a very bad publicity for the act they have committed. Why this is my subject today? Because this all happening in the name of network marketing or multi-level marketing. That is the reason I am taking up this subject today. See, dear friends, these kind of fraudulent practices, there are many. Let me just brief you about what are they. One is called pump and dump scheme. What is called pump and dump program? It's not a scheme, it's a program. How it is working is, some crooked traders will identify some shares in the stock market which are not heavily traded. They will identify those shares, and over a period of time they will buy out most of the shares of that company in a very cheap price and keep it with them, and they will start publicizing about that company in a big way, that this company is going to achieve big profits in coming days. This company is venturing into that sector, this sector, they got this license from the government. In coming days, this company will become the talk of the town, and whoever is buying the shares of these companies will be making huge profit in coming days, and then the share price will start moving. When it start moving, many people will see the growth of the shares, and these people will further intensify the advertising of those shares based on false claims, and the share price of these companies will reach the greater heights. At that point of time, these people will start selling the shares silently in a very small scale, which will not make any impact in the share price of the company. Then over a period of time, they will be completely liquidating the shares. At that point of time, this company's shares started falling. But by that time, these crooked investors have liquidated their complete shares and exited from the program with a massive profit. And the last sponsor scheme, don't think it is a new invention or anything. It is been invented by an Italian named Charles Ponzi. He invented the scheme in the year 1920. In a Ponzi scheme, what happens is, for example, in a company, the outgoing commitment in a week, if it is 25 lakhs, but investments are coming more than 30 lakhs, company will run. In the beginning stage, investments will be 1 crore, 2 crores like that. Outgoing will be 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs like that. But after some time, investments will be reducing, outgoing commitments will be increasing. At one point of time, they will not be able to match both. At that time, the company will shut down. This is what is happening in a Ponzi scheme. By the time the company runners, the management, they will have some figures in their mind. They would have kept that amount aside and they will run away with that money. And if you look at the people who are running this kind of schemes, they never land in jail. Even if they go to jail, they will come out quickly because they have made all the arrangements ready with the government authorities by corrupting them, and they will again appear with another scheme in front of the people by telling whatever you have lost in that scheme, we will earn from this scheme. And they will, and some people are there knowingly they are doing it. They know it is cheating, but they are believing that the scheme will run for 6 months and this is the first month, let us put money now. 6 months it will run, we will be able to make a lot of money. But how can they do that? Because somebody else is losing and they are gaining. It is not win-win. The real business is win-win. This is clearly win-lose. Win-lose means, friends, if it is not win-win, there should not be no deal. That is the right way of doing things. As I mentioned earlier, in many names, they will be collecting money from people. After collecting money from people, for example, you are investing money in a scheme, a Ponzi scheme, and you are guaranteed a return for this many days, 2% or something, and in reality is there is actually no profit is getting originated. It is pure rotation. It is like you are getting profit from the investment of people whom you have made to invest. Just a calculation, if you just see, you are investing 10,000 rupee, for you to get 200 rupee daily, for that your own money, if it is utilized, 200 into 5 means 1,000, into 50 means 10,000. So it is like with the 200 rupee, with your own 10,000 rupee, 200 rupee can be paid back to you for the next 50 days easily. Means they say there is no trading on Saturday and Sundays, so then again few more days get added. So almost I would say with your own money, for at least around 100 days, 75 days, they can properly repay back to you. When many people are investing, you can see that easily they will be able to run the scheme for a long time. Actually, there is no real money is getting originated in this program. When new people are investing, that money is given to other people who came in the first. And that will stand as an evidence, as a testimony. See, I have been getting this money for this many days, 30 days, 50 days, 100 days, 200 days, like that they will be able to show. By seeing that, some people will get attracted and they will start investing money in it. This is nothing but purely Ponzi schemes. This kind of Ponzi schemes have been running in this country for many, many years. Not only in this country, the whole world. You might have heard about one cryptocurrency called OneCoin. Dr. Ruja Ignatova, she has scammed people for more than 1 lakh crore, and her brother got arrested by the American FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigation, and imprisoned for almost 90 years, if I am not wrong. And Dr. Ruja has changed her identity. It is believed that she has done a plastic surgery and her identity is no more. She has scammed the people. She has run away from that money in the name of a cryptocurrency called OneCoin, which she herself created. So dear friends, these Ponzi schemes are nothing but there is no real money in this. It is actually a cheating program. And some people in India, they have run, in South India, they have run a Ponzi scheme in the name of e-commerce, stating that we are going to create so many customers, and for that we are running this binary plan. Once we have tens of thousands of customers, we will be launching our e-commerce program, and through this e-commerce program, people are going to buy the products, and this will become bigger than Amazon. So Ponzi schemes can be run in any names. And once it becomes bigger than Amazon's, whoever has invested in this particular program, they will be getting the profit share of that company. So Ponzi schemes can be run in any names. So third is called money chains. What is money chain? Money chain is another kind of a fraudulent activity. The moment new people stop enrolling, money chain ends. In a multi-level marketing or network marketing, if not even a single new person is enrolling in a week or in a month or continuously for many months, multi-level marketing will run smoothly. But money chain, the moment people stop enrolling, it ends there. So I'll give you one example. A village where 1,000 families are there. Assume 100 people from that village enrolled in a money chain program. As per the law of average, if you explain this business plan to 500 people, then only 100 people will enroll. Means 500 people's potential already over. When the remaining one more 100 is enrolling, the remaining 500 people also heard about that opportunity in that village. So total 200 people are in, that village potential is over. If you look at the 200 people, if you put it in a pyramid form, 1, 3, below 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 128, means how many levels? 5 levels. In this 5 levels, the last level people are half of the total 200, they have lost their complete money. Not even 1 rupee they have earned. 1 level below means 200 ka total 75% will be over in the last 2 levels. 1 level above from the bottom will be earning some money, but still they are under loss. 3rd level also under loss. 2nd level is only in profit. 1st level will be making profit, and top man also makes profit. But for them to continue the business further, they have to move out from that village to another village. Because this village is full of negativity. No, 800 people have already heard the negative story, because positive story will spread in 1:3 ratio. Negative story will spread 1:11 ratio. Means one man will be telling to 11 people. The people who lost money, they will be spreading the entire village. The remaining 800 will not do. These people, they are forced to go out, not just because they are not getting people out from there, because of the overall negative atmosphere there. He will be going to another village. To attract people in an unknown place, you need an expensive car, you need all that kind of makeovers. So practically whatever these people have earned also will be going as business development expenses. In Indus Viva, we used to say, you don't need to buy an expensive car, your product is your hero. You don't need to show your lifestyle as the hero. But in money chain, that is not possible. You need to buy an expensive car and you need a lot of show-offs. So, One example I can quote, in 1980s, there was a money chain program running in Kerala. If you invest 100 rupee, you will get one coupon in hand. And with this coupon, you will be able to make 3 people to sign up. Once 3 people are signed up, you will get 1 sari free. What these 3 people will get? They will get same 3 coupons in their hands. And once they made 3 to sign up, they will also get a sari free. And it ran for quite a long time. After some time, people in the bottom level, when they failed to introduce people to the system, they are losing their money. But when you see, it develops in a pyramid structure. On top, people are very less, but when it is going further down, in the bottom line, there will be large number of people. And very few got benefited on top. A huge number of people lost their money. This is the difference between money chain and multi-level marketing. This is the difference between multi-level marketing and Ponzi scheme, or money chain and Ponzi scheme. Money chain ends when people stop enrolling. Ponzi scheme ends when company's outgoing commitment is exceeding in the inflow, cash inflow. Then, fourth is called phone scams. What is phone scams? It is like there are people to pass the information about you to a fraudulent team. Example, Abhilash is holding a debit card of HDFC Bank or a credit card of ICICI Bank. That information will be passed along with my mobile number. When we are buying a product from a shop, that shop, I'm not talking all shops, but some shops will pass the information. This is the mobile number of Abhilash, this is the credit card which Abhilash is holding, HDFC Bank or ICICI Bank or etc. Some people even may pass the credit card number also, but that is not required for the scammers, because scammers knows the best person to collect the information is you itself. They will be calling you and asking, oh, are you holding an HDFC credit card? Yeah, yes. We are calling from HDFC Bank. Okay. For example, I am saying, and they will ask all the information from you itself. And they are really trained for that. They will collect your date of birth. They will collect whatever necessary required information from you. They will collect it. It has gone even one step ahead. They will be sending you an SMS with a link. When you click the link, you feel you have diverted to a bank's page, and it will ask you to fill up the documents, and you will be filling all the informations and submitting, and they will obtain all the information about your credit card or your debit card, and from that they will be able to take your money from your bank. And they will be telling you, you will be getting an SMS, fill that SMS in the system, you will be putting that number there, and within minutes the entire money is taken out from your system. Usually it will be taken out of the country. So I explained you about pump and dump scheme, Ponzi scheme, money chain and phone scams. Why I am talking about this subject? Because it's all running in the name of multi-level marketing. What is multi-level marketing? In multi-level marketing, please understand the company, a multi-level marketing company has one intention, only to promote their products through the system. Hindustan Lever or Nestle, they are also manufacturing products. They are giving advertisements and they are keeping a distribution channel starting from national distributor, C&F agent till wholesaler and retailer. Their intention is to sell their products. The same way multi-level marketing companies, they too have an intention to sell their products. Why these companies are opting multi-level marketing? They have their own reasons. Multi-level marketing companies have an intention to sell the products. If any company is saying, If a distributor of any company is saying, in our company, product is not important, product is secondary, opportunity is important, means it is very clear that it is not a multi-level marketing company, it is a money chain scheme. How do you identify? It is simple. You just look at a company's product and you decide whether you will be able to sell these products in open market without talking about the opportunity attached with that. If you can sell the products in open market without talking about the opportunity, when I say the open market, means not among your friends or neighbors or relatives, to unknown people in the marketplace, showing the product and explaining about the product, will you be able to sell those products without talking anything about the opportunity? If you feel people are buying those products, if you see, if you experience people are buying those products, first time you need to do that, you need to explain and demonstrate. Second time, they themselves are calling you and buying the products from you, means very clear these products can be sold in the marketplace. It is not about the money, the price of the product, it is the value of the product. If product is value for money, people will buy again and again. So Donald Trump, the President of America, says about network marketing, he says product is the most important thing. Make sure the product worth your devotion. What is the use of a fantastic advertisement campaign if the products are not equally fantastic? Means if you keep Shah Rukh Khan to advertise your products, people will buy first time. Second time, if the products are not good, even if Shah Rukh Khan is endorsing the product, nobody will buy. Same about network marketing. If people are buying your products without seeing the opportunity repeatedly, then you can say that company is multi-level marketing company. Rest all are secondary. You just see only this particular thing. And let me tell you, dear friends, if you run behind instant gratification in life, you will definitely fail. None of these Ponzi schemes or pump and dump schemes which Harshad Mehta run, Ponzi schemes like Dr. Ruja Ignatova or many other people whom I don't want to name, money chains and phone scams, none of this will work for a long time. You will end up in trouble. So multi-level marketing, when you do with a company which you can rely on, slowly you will be able to see, you will be gaining necessary skills to become successful. Even great sports stars, business stars, film stars, nobody has got instant success. They all are proved their talents. For that, it will take its own set of time. It is not the money will make you rich. It is what you know about money will make you rich. Dear friends, that is my conclusion. Don't run behind instant gratification. Any genuine success story will take its own sweet time. Do you think 2% return, 3% return in a day, it is possible? If that is possible, then Birlas, Ambanis, they would have taken all this money, or they would have tried that. Even Reliance kind of companies are offering only 8%, 10%, maximum 11% return for their debentures. Then how come 2% a day? It is highly impossible. Which trader can make profit every day? So don't believe in any of those schemes. And let me tell you one more thing. If somebody is approaching you in the name of multi-level marketing, you check their history. If the company has the habit of changing the compensation plan Fine tuning the compensation plan is different, and changing the compensation plan is different. If the basic structure of the compensation plan is often changed by a company, it is highly possible that it is not a multi-level marketing company, it is definitely a money chain company. Product is just a cover for that. Don't believe in those companies. If your reputation is protected, money can be earned in future also. But if the reputation is gone, you will not be earning money today, and you will be losing the potential to earn tomorrow also. So dear friends, stay away from all these kind of things. I know so many people who have run behind all this kind of schemes years together, always talking about crores of rupees. When people are talking about 1 lakh rupee weekly income, 2 lakh rupees weekly income, they used to laugh at them and talking about 1 crore in a week, 2 crore in a week, big money and all that, finally landed in jail or finally unable to come out from their residence. Money cannot be earned like that. It won't sustain. It will put you in trouble. Believe that and enroll with a right network marketing company which is reliable and viable. I repeat, which is reliable and viable. So, your friend and partner in success, Abhilash Thomas, signing off.